Good morning class. Today we will discuss national income concept and measurement. National income means income of a nation. National income is the sum of money value of final goods and services produced by normal residents of a country within and outside the country during an accounting year. Or you can say national income is the sum of factor incomes earned by normal residents of a country in the form of wages, rent, interest, and profit in an accounting year. Now you can see here national income and GDP. Now, what is the difference between national income and GDP? You can see in the picture national income and GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. It is a concept as it includes value of final goods and services produced within domestic territory of a country. Domestic territory of a country, that is gross domestic product. Or national income. National income means it is a national concept. It includes the value of final goods and services produced in the entire world. In GDP, we are talking about the within a country, and national income within a country and outside the country. Now we will discuss here basic concepts of national income. First we will discuss here gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means it is a concept as it includes value of final goods and services produced within domestic territory of a country. Now next is gross domestic product at constant price at a current price. Now we will discuss here constant price and current price. Constant price means base year. Current price means current year. Current price, it refers to money value of final goods and services produced by normal residents of a country in a year measured at a current year price. But constant price means कि money value of final goods and services produced by normal residents of a country in a year at prices of base year. So current year means current prices or base year means constant prices. Now current price is not good indicator or good tool for measuring the economic growth of a country, but constant price is a better tool for measuring the economic growth of a country. Why? Because current price is affected by change in both price and quantity, but constant price affected by change in the quantity only. It means only quantity increases, not prices. Income increases due to increase in quantity. It means more creation of employment. If GDP increases at current price or national income increases at current price, it means prices are increasing but quantity is constant. So this is the reason कि constant price is better tool for measuring the economic growth.